One of the interesting concepts that I pondered upon was what luck is. And it all started when one of my family members or a friend said that XYZ person is successful because he is lucky. And that's when I started to question it. So, what I found was we call luck or we use the term luck to point out something that is not definable. Okay, so let me give you an example. Imagine two athletes, A and B, both prepared with under the same teacher, and they race. B wins, A loses, and we call B lucky because he won. And although they had the same amount of preparation, B won, A lost. So we easily term B lucky because there's no much metric we can judge them on. But there might be some randomness there. Maybe A was not in his full best potential on the race. Maybe A got some dirt in his eyes and he couldn't run faster than he could. There are much more randomness in the situation than we think there is. So we call luck because there's a metric we could judge A and B and say that B is better than A because they were of the equal range. और हमें अनफेमिलियरिटी अनसर्टनिटी पसंद नहीं है. हर एक चीज़ के लिए हमें कोई डेफिनेशन चाहिए, तो हमने नाम कर दिया उसका लक. And one of the biggest problems that arises is many people might come up and call Mark Zuckerberg lucky that he got rich in such a young age because his peers couldn't. Okay, so let me give you one more example. There is a box and the box has 10 balls, 5 red and 5 black. You pick up a ball, you get a red ball. Your friend picks up the ball, he gets a black ball. If the mission is to get a red ball, would you call your friend unlucky? If you make the stakes much more higher, imagine तुम्हारी जान उस पर डिपेंडेंट है. अगर तुमने उससे ब्लैक बॉल निकाल लिया, तुम मारे जाओगे. तुमने निकाला लाल, तुम्हारे दोस्त ने निकाला ब्लैक, उसे मार दिया गया, तो तुम क्या बोल रही हो? वो अनलकी है. क्योंकि अगर हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी भी देखी जाए ना यार, प्रोबेबिलिटी सेज 1 out of 2 people will get a red and 1 out of 2 people will get a black ball. It's all under probabilitical terms. Yet we call it luck. क्योंकि इसका कोई टर्म नहीं है. अगर सोचोगे कि उसको क्या टर्म दे सकते हो सकता है पहले आदमी को भी ब्लैक मिल सकता था, नहीं मिला. दूसरे आदमी को क्यों ब्लैक मिला? उसे रेड भी तो मिल सकता था, नहीं मिला ना. There's no term that we can use to define that, so we use luck. Even in a lot of situations, luck is an escape route. If you and your friend compete and your friend wins, you call him lucky, so that you can give an excuse to the fact that maybe he was better than you. Maybe he won because he was better than you. हो सकता है तुम्हें में कोई कमी थी कि वो जीत गया, उसकी प्रिपरेशन तुमसे अच्छी हो रखी थी, उसने उस दिन तुमसे अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. इस दुख से, इस सच्चाई से ना जूझने के लिए हम लक का कॉन्सेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं. Because if I can say my friend was lucky, I don't have control over luck. So I lost not because of my preparation, not because of me, but because of some untangible, uncontrollable thing. So in that particular sense, luck becomes a defense mechanism. And almost a similar thing is something that's called destiny. And destiny also can have two faces. One, destiny allows you to be content with what you have, and destiny also makes you believe that you're good for nothing. For a poor person, someone goes and tell him it's his destiny to be poor and he will be happy by being poor because he could not outgrow his own destiny. Because destiny as a concept is something that everyone believes in, that no one can outgrow or no one can do something that is not in his destiny. In the movies we have all seen where someone comes up to the hero and says you're destined to some great things, and he does great things, but in real life that doesn't happen. No one goes and says to someone, okay, you're destined to be someone big, and they do. Because right now, if I can come up and say that Mukesh Ambani was destined to become rich, then everyone will feel good about themselves because they can now believe that Mukesh Ambani became rich because of some untangible, uncontrollable stuff, and put up a blind eye to the fact that he worked hard. सब ये मानना शुरू कर देंगे यार कि तुम सक्सेसफुल इसीलिए नहीं हो, या तुमने कुछ उखाड़ा इसीलिए नहीं है क्योंकि तुम्हारी डेस्टिनी नहीं थी, एक अनकंट्रोलेबल अनटेंजिबल चीज़ जिसको हम कुछ मैनिपुलेट नहीं कर सकते, उसके कारण तुम्हारी लाइफ में तुम्हारा बस नहीं है।